In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then scroll all the way down and click on privacy section. Following that, select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features to manage, like camera. Finally, it's time to pick one of your apps located under one of those categories: allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will go with Chrome from not allowed one. Then apply one of those options by clicking on the chosen one. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. For example, I will go into Contacts to manage my calendar. Now, instead of picking any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!